This is the second part of section 8.4a, raising a product to a power. Let's think about what is a product. That's multiplying two things together. So we're talking about we have two different things inside some parentheses raising it to a power. Let's look at our example here. 4x squared to the third power. Well, I'm going to distribute the power of 3 to both parts. Notice I put both of the interiors in parentheses here. 4 cubed and x squared cubed. Well, 4 cubed is 64, and a power to a power you multiply, so that's x to the 6th. So let's look down at example A. We're going to change this problem, and we're going to change it to 3g to the 4th squared. So change that with me to 3g to the 4th squared. Now, let's distribute, and let's say 3 squared, and then g to the 4th squared. Well, 3 squared you know is 9, and a power to a power becomes g to the 8th. So that's our answer, 9g to the 8th. Our next one, let's distribute 5 to the negative 2 and x cubed to the negative 2. Well, as we think about what is 5 to the negative 2, that's got to go to the bottom and become a positive exponent, 1 over 5 squared. X cubed to the negative 2, well, power to a power we multiply, and that's x to the negative 6. Now you say to yourself, if the 5 went to the bottom, why doesn't the x? Well, it does. 5 squared is 25, and the x to the 6 goes to the bottom as well. If there's nothing left in the top remains as a 1. Let's look at kind of a final bonus problem at the bottom here in this blank space that we have. We'll call it problem C. Let's say we have 4a to the third, b to the negative 2, and we're going to take this whole thing and raise it to the second power. Well, that's 4 squared, a cubed squared, and b to the negative 2 squared. What's 4 squared? You know that. That's 16. A cubed squared, power to a power you multiply, and then b to the negative 4. Is this how we're going to leave our answer? Certainly not. You're going to realize that that b to the negative 4 needs to go to the bottom and become a b to the positive 4. So as we review, a product to a power, make sure you distribute using your parentheses.